Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Before starting, I would really suggest you to join my Discord server. You can find the invitation code in description, and once you are in the server, please click on the verification button in the verified channel so you can access the server channels, you can read them, and you can discover how to unlock specific roles which are here. Today I would like to show you how to bypass the double input block made by Valorant, which is pretty easy if you are using Arduino Leonardo. To do that, there is also a really complete guide in my server. As you can see, it explains everything. I won't, of course, read all the guide today with you, but I'll just focus on the most important parts. So first of all, you have to buy some specific devices. So you need the Arduino Leonardo, of course, and you also need USB or shield. This is not optional. It was optional in the past, not now. Now you must have it. And of course you need to solder it. Solder it is pretty easy. You can just watch some soldering tutorial on YouTube. There are links. All you need here, and of course these are the three dots you have to do to solder the USB host shield. I also put here some Amazon examples. Let me open them. So yeah, this is a USB host shield, and this is the Arduino Leonardo. This is the official one, but you can also order some clones which will cost really less than this. Okay, just go on. Once you solder it, you can of course test if the soldering went well. There is a specific library in the Arduino IDE, but everything is displaying here. And you need to install the Arduino IDE first of all, which is the 1.8.19 version, and you must remember to install all the drivers they are asking to you. You can also do these steps in a second PC if you don't want to install the IDE in the main PC. It's not important, you can do it in a second PC. And then I'll explain you why. This is not mandatory in my case if you are using my software, of course, but if you are doing everything by your own, you also need to install the USB or Shield library 2.0, and you also need to install the HD project library, which is displayed like in here. Yeah, this is the other library you need to install if you are creating your software by your own, of course. After that, you need to disable the COM ports and fully spoof the Arduino as your mouse. So or as another mouse. It's not important because the mouse will be connected to your shield, so if you spoof as a different mouse than yours, it's not a problem. It's just as you connected in the PC that different mouse you spoofed, so you can do basically what you want here, and of course there are a lot of steps to do that. I'm not going through this right now. You need of course to create a library that basically supports your mouse. So for example, there are different libraries in my server. Let me go here. Yeah, there are different libraries and different mice. Usually people don't say me this mouse is working with this library, only some people, so this list is of course not completed. There are only few mice here because users always play without saying anything if everything works. It's a common thing, but this is a list, so you can have an idea There is Luna library, which is really generic and always often works with every mouse, but in case your mouse is not working with any library, I will work to make it working, of course. And after you created this library, you need to communicate through HAD, of course. So you need to have a library that works, that is able to parse your mouse, and then you have to communicate through HAD, which is really easy. You can't communicate through comparse like before because it's detected, and yeah, it's better if you go through HAD protocol. Yeah, and that's all. To load the library, in my case, if you are using my software, you don't need to do all these steps like months ago. You just need to follow the chapter 33, which explains you what to do. So you can just run a single cmd command, and that will load the library inside the Arduino, and the fully spoofing and disabling comport will be inside that library file I'll give you, so you do everything in one step. And if you want to see the cheat working in game, you can just go in my channel and watch some showcase videos. There is a 2PC cheat too. Yeah, of course I had a biggest channel, but not anymore, and now I just created this new one, but the server is still big, with a lot of people and a lot of feedback, so you can just come here and yeah, see maybe the vouchers, etc, etc. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.